A moment ago, we went over the find method. In this tutorial, we're going to go over the findIndex. So findIndex actually works the exact same way as find. So if you go back and watch that tutorial first, then come back here. The only difference is we just get back the index this time instead of the element in the array. In this example, I have the same array as before, people array, and I'm saying return to me the element by which this test function evaluates to true. So that evaluates to true on this object here, which is at array index 1, 0, 1. And you can see Quokka showed us that when we console out the result, we get the index of 1. I can further prove that by changing my array a little bit. And then now the first time that this function returns a true, where the short color is equal to red, is now at index 2, 0, 1, 2. That's the only difference between the two.